Join me, friends, in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua, July 15th through the 22nd, for the culinary adventure of a lifetime, one that you will never, ever forget. 8 days and 7 nights in paradise. We will eat amazing food. We will immerse ourselves in all the gifts that paradise has to offer. We will hike, we will surf, we will dance, we will laugh, we will love, and most importantly, we will make friends that we will have for a lifetime. I cannot wait to share this amazing, unique experience with you.